Ateneo, and I am from St. Peter College of Turin. And now, I am conducting an interview regarding on dialects. So, I am looking for someone that can speak a dialect in the Philippines. IT, yes. What kind of IT?
Para sa ako of course, part ko because, ano naman ako siya, about, so, like, kanang mga IT people, yes. So, otherwise, normal languages,
Normal. You are not feeling like awkward or behind.
do people try? Wala, normal languages. Actually, wala man yung nag-ano sa college. Wala, just normal lang. Wala mo pa silang abalo po ng IP. Maybe, to learn about about sa mga IP people. Gusto lang ko na may makatulong na afterwards ang laing students. That's it.
Wow, that's amazing.
Ako kadi si Ivy Grace Paliado, yaga po yung ako sa diili sa Toril na naong na. So, not like kabalo dyan siya na lemot na mabuko, but siguro kung masilang in Mandaya is pwede magtulso or something like one word lang. Yes. Example, bato ka sa laing lugar, tapos mayroon ka sa, like, your friends mo ka, when ka pa silid kahit sibi ko, alik ka di sibi, mag-astorya kita sa mga controllers ng salingan. That's it.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Ivy, for having a privilege today to be interviewed. So, I am so amazed with your dialect, which is Mandaya, and I am so proud of you because you are embracing the dialect of the Mandaya. The end of our video. Have a good day.